Two, back at it. So what I decided to do now, worked on taking this old gearbox out. I just got the new one installed, but I'm just give you a little rundown of what you got to really do to just get it down. So you got those 3 bolts right there. They are 5/8 bolts. And then this is how it look on there. These 2 bolts right here are shorter than that top bolt that's right up top right there. And like I said, they all 5/8. Then these bolts right here, I think they were 5/8 bolts. I can't remember. They 15, one of them. But you get those taken out, and then once you get those power steering line bolts out, you work on this bolt right here, which is I think it was a 11. I think that was 11. Yeah, it's 11. Might be a 10, but I think it was 11. So you take that out, and then you end up knocking your steering column rod loose. You got to take the bolt completely all the way out. Some people they leaves it halfway in, but you got to take it all the way out. And then you just knock your steering column back, your rod back. And then once you get those 3 bolts out, then it just drops down. But I'm gonna work on getting the lines in, then I'll turn it back on. All right, YouTube, I got it put back together. And these bolts right here, they are 5/8 size bolts. So you want to put that line under this one, then you just hand tighten it. Then you just get the 5/8 wrench, tighten it up. Then this right here, okay, on the bottom of this gearbox, it's a piece that's called pitman arm, and you have to, if you want to use your old one, you have to pry it off. Got the pitman arm off of the old gearbox and got it on the new one. So that's how it look. And these bolts right here, they're 18mm bolts, these 2. And I'll turn it back on the next day to work on the valve covers. All right, peace. YouTube, the next day, got the valve covers off. I'm just going to let y'all see the rock arms and the springs and stuff. Everything look pretty good. I think the motor is new, because the guy told me, he said that he had it, the dude had a motor put in. But y'all can see ain't no crud nowhere, so everything look good, everything nice and clean. So I'm gonna get these valve covers done, and then I'm gonna turn you back on. All right, YouTube, I finished it up. This is how it look. He went with like an orange, burnt orange color. I think I'm gonna have to get some grommets to fit the PVC pipe, and I gotta get a grommet for that side over there. And then his oil cap, I just went ahead and sanded it down a little bit and painted it black, so it won't look too off, rusty, and just went ahead and painted it black. But overall, it don't look too bad. That's a better view of it. And then once I get everything buttoned up with that, I'll be pretty much done under the hood. I'm thinking he might put a power steering pump on. I ain't for sure. But then I'm gonna work on the headlights. He got some different headlights for it. But this gonna be it for this video. So y'all like, share, subscribe, and we out. Peace.